Now, Storm Alert Weather 12 with meteorologist Sarah Kress.
We're tracking a band of precipitation spreading itself inland, and we're going to keep an eye on rain and snow throughout the rest of our day. Snow levels are also lowering quickly with the system, sitting at about, I'd say, 2,000 feet over to our west side areas. Here's a bigger look at this system. We do have a front that is working its way in, and you can tell we've got lots of cold air that'll be working its way in, and we're expected to stay rather cold through most of this week. Right now, we're taking a look out at Grants Pass, overcast skies, and we can expect them to be overcast to mostly cloudy throughout your day. Maybe a few breaks into the afternoon as we're getting ready for more of that precipitation to pick up into the overnight. Highs today are expected to remain into the 40s for most of us. As we head into the afternoon, they'll start to drop a bit more for our west side valleys, then over to the east a little bit sooner than when we usually see those high temperatures peak. Now, overnight tonight, it is going to be rather cold across the region, especially heading out the door tomorrow morning, and we will be dealing with quite a bit of snow tomorrow. We do have multiple winter weather advisories in place across southern Oregon and even into the Shasta Valley in Northern California. Now, on top of that, we have multiple winter storm warnings in place. Those go through Thursday as well, but we'll likely see some extensions with these due to that next storm system moving in your Thursday. Now, we are expecting to see snow, but into those coastal areas, we will be getting a bit of rain. Expect to see anywhere from about an inch to up to 2 inches on the higher end over to our coastal areas through your Wednesday, but these can be our water equivalent because we are expecting to see snow, especially for our west side valleys as we head into the overnight hours tonight, with snow levels dropping to about 1,000 feet by the time you're into your Tuesday. So let's talk a little bit about those totals quickly. We are going to see most of that over into our coastal mountain regions, western Siskiyou County, but we're also going to be seeing snowfall into our west side valleys. Again, when it comes to sticking onto those roads, it may take a little bit more time for those slick conditions to accumulate just due to those warmer temperatures we've seen for our west side valleys. But timing out for the rest of the day, notice as we head into those nighttime hours, activity really picks up across the region. That's when a lot of these advisories and winter storm warnings set in place. We'll see those showers continue through your Tuesday and linger a bit into your Wednesday, getting ready for that next storm system to move in, and we'll still be dealing with quite a bit of cold air as that next round of precipitation moves in on your Thursday. So here's a closer look at your next 7 days. Starting with the coast, we'll see rain and snow likely over the next few days. Snow levels only expected to peak about up to about 2,000 feet. So Northern California, especially into the western Siskiyou County area, expect heavy snowfall amounts into the Klamath Basin as well. Very chilly over the next few, and those mornings are going to be rather cold. Over into the mountains, very good for our ski areas, but hazardous travel through the rest of the week, and finally back over into the Rogue Valley. We'll be seeing a rain-snow mix to the end of the week, seeing wet, cold conditions continue through